I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at Dhos. This is a gin-free gin, so it's basically a non-alcoholic gin, but it's made with the same kind of care and quality that you would get with the botanicals and everything you would have in a normal gin. It's lower calorie, it's alcohol-free, and I'm going to go ahead and make a Hanukkah cocktail. We're coming into Hanukkah now, and I'm going to use this to make that. It's a recipe from Dhos. So I've got my shaker here. I've got my Dhos gin-free gin. I'm going to put some ice in there, of course, to get started. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure out 2 ounces of this. It has that really nice juniper kind of smell there as I'm pouring there. 0.75 ounces of some lemon juice. And I'm going to use elderberry syrup. The recipe calls for creme de violette, but that had alcohol, so I just wanted to go with something totally non-alcoholic. Use a bit of this elderberry syrup in there, get kind of a similar taste. A couple dashes there of some Angostura bitters. And there we go, we've got our drink. Pour it out into our glass. Beautiful kind of bluish, purplish color there, perfect for Hanukkah. And it looks really delicious. So let's go ahead and try it out. Really tasty. There's not a lot of sweetness. There's not a lot of sugar added in there, so it's got that nice, strong flavor. Almost tastes like it has the spirits in there, just because you can taste all of that delicious kind of botanicals and things you would expect out of gin. But of course, it's alcohol-free. So really delicious. I think the elderberry really works well there. You could add a little simple syrup if you want to make it a bit sweeter. But overall, really classy, really delicious. Got a nice botanical kind of little bit of a bitter flavor there that adds to it, I think. And yeah, overall really delicious. And again, with that elderflower stuff in there, I think that's going to be a nice addition. But you could always go with the creme de violette as well. So really cool spirit here, alcohol-free spirit from Dhos. This will be great for Hanukkah. And indeed it was. Happy Hanukkah, everybody. And thanks to Dhos for sending me a bit of this non-alcoholic spirit to test out.